SpongeBob Tower Defense characters. And, yeah, we're going to do hardest to easiest. So the easiest ones are going to be on the bottom, I think. Yeah, I really don't know. And it might be showing you how hard it might be to get these and then what you need to do to get them. This guy, I feel like I don't really know what he would do. Don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Kevin? What the? Kevin? Is there one for Kevin? I don't even know if there's a character for Kevin. These are not like characters I know in general. These are like SpongeBob characters that I use and I don't know how they work. Those ones I never tried out. Mr. Crab, I feel like he was just... Okay, Plankton... I'm just gonna put you there. I don't know what that means. If I don't know what that means... I never use... I hate. Where's A? I hate. I hate. I don't know why I put him there. I'm just putting them there. I never knew they had added Bubble as a character. I don't even know this character at all. Yeah, I haven't used you yet. Anyone. Oh, okay. Why did I put it there? 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 No, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know it. This might be a short video. Okay, SpongeBob, you're good for like a lot of people if you need like a lot of people to defeat a boss. So you can go in S tier. Patrick, you can go in D tier. I don't really know what you do at all. We're already almost done. I might need to be talking about them. Sandy. Sandy, get in there. Gary. I don't hate him, so I'll give him extra credit. I don't know at all. What the heck is this thing? Why did I put SpongeBob there? Somebody's glitching. I don't know if you can see it. If you guys can see it glitching. You already know where I'm gonna put my boy. The Sigma Squidward. Yeah, I call it. So I'm gonna be talking about all of these characters. Yeah, we're gonna be all talking about all these characters. So Sigma Squidward, it's like a meme. He's like a meme, but they also put him in the game, so that's really weird. Plankton Robot. I think it happened in a live event. Wait, no, not a live event. Event. So, and Bubble, I don't know how he got in the game. I don't know. SpongeBob should be right there. I don't know her. I forgot her name. SpongeBob is like really good. So he like, eat bubbles out of his hands. I don't know him. I forgot his name. But I know Mr. Crab. Mr. Crab, I don't know what he does, but I feel like he would be a good character. So I think he would like clomp, 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 clomp. I forgot. Plankton? I don't. Okay, I don't really know. That one I don't know. Craven SpongeBob. He was in one of the episodes in SpongeBob. I don't really know what he does in the game though. Why did I put him there? D. What the? I don't even know what that I was at Craven SpongeBob. What the heck is that monster? That's big angry Sandy. I don't know what that name. Sandy. I don't really know. I just forgot his name. Patrick. Hi. I used him before. I forgot what he did. Then I always just say all their names. And if I don't know it, I'm gonna say I don't know. What? Gary. And then I don't know. Paper, SpongeBob, I don't know. Squidward, I don't know. And then the rest that says INKNOWN. Then yeah. Bye bye.